Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is your English teacher Sadi Kawal of class 4. I am here with video 5. Today we are going to discuss exercise B1 part 2 and 3 of page number 6 and 7 of unit 1. So let's start. Okay dear students, the question is read the following paragraph and notice the digraph, trigraph and silent letters. First, we know about the digraph, trigraph, and silent letters. Before doing the exercise, first we have to know about what is digraph. A digraph is a combination of two letters that make one completely new speech sound. For example, CH. When C and H letters together can make be a sound ch. Ch. Chin, picture, catch. After that, GH. When G and H letters together, it can make be a sound F. But keep in mind that when G and H letters come in the end of the word, it will make a sound F. Rough, tough, enough. After that, NG. When N and G letters together, it can make be a sound ing, singer, long, young. After that, PH. When P and H letters together, it can make be a sound F, again F, but this time PH is at the start of the word. Photo, alphabet, graph. SH. When S and H letters together, it make a sound sh. Ship, sunshine, fish. Okay, TH. When T and H letters together, it will be voiceless, like th, thank, outlet, both. In the other hand, TH together, it make a sound D, brother, smooth. Sometimes TH is voiceless and sometimes TH is make a sound D. Okay, W and H. W and H, these are the cheesy, happiest letters. But when W and H together and H is with W, H will be silent. And only W can make a sound when, whistle. W make a sound V. I hope dear students, now it will be easy for you that you will easily find out digraphs from the exercise. Now move forward to trigraph. As it shows with his name, tri means three. A group of three letters generating one sound is called trigraph. For example, TCH. It's come at the end of the word and it makes a sound ch. Match. Look at here. Catch. After that, when three letters EN comes or it together, it will make a sound in. Screen. There are a lot of trigraphs like ERE. When ERE letters together and it comes at the end of the word, it will make a sound. Sphere. Sphere. So it is easy that you will find out the letters trigraphs. There are a lot of letters which together and it makes sounds like ASH. When it's together, it makes a sound ish. Like the EAR, ear. It makes also a sound with three letters. Hopefully now it is easy for you that you will find easily digraphs, trigraphs. Now move forward to silent letters. Silent letters are letters that appear in the spelling of words but don't make a sound. They look one way but sound a different way. There are some examples related to silent letters. Look at here, B. B is silent in these letters, but there are some rules also apply which I will discuss it to you. Okay, look at here, it is thumb. B is silent in this sentence, in this word. Crumb, lamb, climb, comb. Dear students, there are some rules apply in different letters. With different letters, let's suppose B. Rule number 1. The letter B is usually not pronounced after M at the end of a word. Like comb, as I told you, as I show you the aviates, bomb, thumb, climb, tom, crumb, lamb. Rule number 2, B is usually not pronounced before the letter T. Just like doubt. B is silent here, doubtful. Subtle, debt. So B is silent and we cannot pronounce B in the words. Okay, D is also silent in some ways. Rule number 1, the letter D is silent when it appears before the letter N and G. Wednesday, catch, pledge, grudge. Rule number 2, D is not pronounced in the following common words. Wednesday, handsome, handkerchief, sandwich. So D is silent in these words. We cannot pronounce T like Wednesday, handsome, handkerchief, sandwich. How the A is silent? If the letter E comes at the ends of the words, it is generally not pronounced. For, table, before, right, give, hide. Here E is right at the end of the word. Rule number 2, if E occurs before the letter D, in the second and third form of the verbs, E may sometimes not be pronounced. Like here, E comes before the D. Bored, fixed, smuggled, bagged. H is also silent in some ways. Like the letter H is usually silent when it appears after W. Why, what, when, whether, where. Sometimes the letter H is not silent after W. Consider the words below. Whose, whosever, who, whoever, whole. Here H is not silent. Rule number 3, H is mute at the beginning of many words. But remember to use the articles and with unvoiced H. R, honest, honor, ear. Rule number 4, exceptions. Most of the words beginning with H are not silent. Remember to use the articles with voiced H. History, a historical, a here, happy. These are the words where H is not silent, where the rules are not applied. Okay, dear students, in somewhere K is also silent. The letter K is always silent when it precedes the letter N in a word. Like no, K is come before N. Knock, knife, night, knowledge. So here K is silent. We are not pronouncing K in these words. Here are some rules where T is silent. The letter T is not pronounced in the following common English words. Castle, so T is silent. Christmas, T is also silent here. Fasten, T is silent. Listen, often. Bearing, traveler. Whistle, thistle, bustle. Hasten, soften. Look at here, T is there but it is silent. Rapper, gourmet, ballet. P is also silent in somewhere. The letter P is not pronounced at the beginning of many words using the combinations PS, PT and PN. For example, SAM, cephalogy, pterodactyl, pneumonia, pneumatic. And at the end, not the least, W is also silent in somewhere. The letter W is not pronounced at the beginning of a word when it is before the letter R. Right? Rest, wrong, rack, rap. W is silent in the following words: who, whose, whole, home, whole, however, answer, swab, to. Now, dear students, you can easily find digraph, trigraph, and silent letters from the paragraph. Dear students, when you find digraph, trigraph, and silent letter, write D on digraph, write T on trigraph, and write SL on silent letters. Okay, dear students, now this exercise is very easy for you and you can easily write digraphs, trigraphs and silent letters. Okay, now 3. Make at least 2 words with the given digraph and trigraph. Okay, you will only write digraphs and trigraphs from the given letters like CH, WH, IGH and TCH. Now it will be very easy for you. You listen carefully digraph, trigraph and silent letters and you will practice all these things at home. Then you will be easily solve these 2 exercises at home. Thank you. Stay blessed, stay happy. Allah Hafiz.